Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm ReyRey. Thank you for watching. So today I finally decided to straighten my hair after 3 or 4 years, and it feels so weird to see my hair like this. I know it doesn't look totally flat. I don't know if I was doing something wrong or because I had a little bit too much oil in my hair, but this is the best I could do, and I actually like it better this way because I don't like when my hair is totally flat. So yeah, if you guys wonder how I got this look, then please keep on watching, and before you do, make sure you subscribe. Alright, now let's get right into it.
Just a heads up, this is gonna be a very quick video because I'm gonna fast forward the majority of it, but you guys can still see what I'm doing, so don't worry about it. I just washed my hair and it's totally dry now, so I'm gonna grab a blow dryer and a white tooth comb to detangle and stretch my hair out a bit. The blow dryer I'm using, by the way, is a regular Conair, and I set it on warm and not heat because I don't want to damage my hair already. You guys and this is how it looks like after blow drying it. I've applied a little bit of argan oil actually before I started blow drying it because I didn't have a heat protectant in hand, and I read that argan oil is actually considered as one, which is great because I had one with me. So yeah, now moving on to the flat iron. The one I'm using is from Duval, and you can use my discount code ReyRey70 for 70% off. And I set it on 360, and with my rat tail comb I start off by taking a little piece of hair out, then comb it first to make sure there are no tangles, then flat iron my hair. Honestly, you cannot see it in the video, but deep down I was sort of frustrated because my hair was not as flexible as I wanted it to be, and the ends were so frizzy, and no matter how much I will go over the ends, like it will still look the same after 5 minutes. And I don't know what I did wrong. Maybe I had too much oil, but yeah, I really tried. So I tried my best not to go over it too many times because I didn't want my hair to be heat damaged, but it was so annoying.
Alright, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Man, I can't stop staring at myself in the monitor. It feels so weird to see my hair like this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click on that notification bell so you can get notified as soon as I upload a new video. Make sure you stay tuned every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. And until then, I will see you guys next time. Bye!